Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to change avatar to profile picture in Duolingo. So in order to know the answer to this question, we'll head over to duolingo.com. Now click on the profile option at the bottom. Now you'll have the option to click on this pencil icon at the top and you only get to edit your avatar. There is no option to edit your profile picture. So I'm going to show you this supportduolingo.com's page. On this page, there's a question. How do I change back to a profile picture? And this is the response from Duolingo. We are removing the ability to upload personal profile pictures as avatars. That means Duolingo has removed the ability to upload personal pictures as avatars. Now you can only build an avatar within the profile tab, and if you choose not to build an avatar, your profile picture will be represented by the first letters of your display name. But you won't be able to upload a personal photo or image as a profile picture. You can only create or edit the avatar in the avatar builder. So this message highlights our answer that you won't be able to upload a personal photo or image as a profile picture. And that's the simple answer to your question, that you cannot change back to a profile picture from avatar. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.